February is National Feed the Bird Month, and not only can we put out bird seed and water baths to support our bird friends, but we can also make plant selections for the landscape that support wildlife and other birds. And one example is the swamp TT, also known as Cyrilla. It is a native shrub that can get up to 8 feet in height. Now, it is deciduous in some areas, but if we have mild winters, they can remain evergreen, as you see here. Now, these do bloom in the springtime, these white panicle flowers that actually produce a great deal of nectar that is great for pollinators. But in the fall, it makes way for fruit. And there aren't a whole lot of fruit here because the birds have actually come in and eaten all of those up. So when we're thinking about National Feed the Bird Month, consider planting shrubs and different trees into your landscape that support birds. Now, there are several publications that the AgCenter has on native plants that you can select. It gives the wildlife qualities for those. So we have the selection, planting, and care of urban trees. But then we also have book selections from different authors that are affiliated with LSU, such as this one here, Attracting Birds to Southern Gardens by Thomas Pope, Neil Oldenwald, and Charles Freiling. So as we think about February and getting excited about being in the garden, think about plants for the birds. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.